It's about 7:30. River level's looking good here at River X. Hopefully we can get hold of some fish this morning. So let's get cracking. So after a 20-minute walk, we are here. The water's nice and clear. I'm going to start off with this green and gold Jackson that I used in the last, green and orange I should say, and a bit of gold in the last video. Only because it was already tied on and been a bit lazy. But we'll give this one a go for a little bit, and then we'll change over if we don't get any interest. Oh, there he is. I've seen him come out from the bank there. I've seen a bow wave. It was either him or his mate that... There we go. Nice solid fish, about a pound. Hooks come out. Wet both my hands. Beautiful river fish. About a pound. Don't know if it was his mate or him that come out from the edge of the bank. And off he goes. Good start. Oh, I missed him. Bugger. Had him on for a sec. Got him, little fella. Where there, little man? Okay, beautiful red spots on him down the bottom there. We'll get him back in the water on his way. Right, so I put a Nories Laydown on. It's got the orange belly like the other one. We'll give that a whirl for a bit. Spooked a few fish in the shallows there. Hopefully they don't ruin this pool. Oh, there's a little one. About the size I spooked over in the shallows there. Little fella. I'll let him go over this way. He goes. Good. Finally got one. I've had heaps of follow, so he's only hooked in the side too. Side of the gob. There we go. Another nice brownie. Oh, I missed him again. Bugger. Haven't had much luck through here. Caught two and lost about 5 or 6. Oh, I've changed over rod and changed over lure to the Eco Gear with the orange belly. Because my reel is gone all loose. My line, I should say, not my reel. So I've swapped rods over. I'll have to tighten that up when I get back home. So we'll get stuck into them again. There he is. I'm scared his mate's just here at my feet. There's his mate in the water that I haven't caught. He's a lot bigger, this one. Small in size but a lot bigger than his mate that was at my feet. Here we go. With the hands. Big green still. There we go. Lovely red spots. Off he glides. There he goes, look at that. Catch him next time. That's what it's all about. Oh, there's another one. There's a few up there. There we go. That's how you release them. Oh, he spat up. Oh, there's another one there. There he is. Oh, he's got it. No. Yes, no. No. Oh. Got him that time I paused it. I seen him. Once again, they want the pause. Oh, he's just hooked too. Oh, look at that. Lures come out. Wet my hands there. Oh, this chunk. Little chunker. Little chunker. Beautiful. I think that's number 7. There you go. There he is. Spending more time out of the water, boy. Oh, great netting. So another typical size brown for here. Nice. we go. Here's one, another one. Didn't have to pause that one. Hopefully he gets off here. I'll let him swing around the net for a bit. The lure's been coming out. There we go. Lure's out of him. Only been just hooked. All the fish I've hooked today have been just lip hooked. And that's number 9 or 10 for the sesh. There we go. Sweet. Oh, another one up there. Oh, I got him. Got him. Oh, hey, geez, they're feisty. He'll get off. There we go. I didn't want to get him in the net to get all tangled up. They are feisty. Oh, here he is. Only a wee little fish. God, they're stacked up through here. Unbelievable how many fish are through this little section. See that? He was onto it. Oh, I think he felt the hook though. Oh, he's onto it. Oh, there he is. I got him. Oh, we missed it again. God damn it. God. Take the thing, boy. Maybe I should change to a soft plastic or something. Oh, here he is. Look at him. He's fired up. He is fired up. Got him! Oh, he got off again! Oh! God! 4 times I've nearly had him. Fish has beaten me. I'm moving on. Here we go. The tiny one, I reckon. I've followed it before. Oh, he's little silver. Look at that. The future of the fishing, right there. There he goes. Off he goes. That's what we want. Not much harm done. Didn't have to handle him. There we go, little fella. Hopefully he gets off. And then jump around a bit. They have been getting off. We might have him in his mouth, this one, has he? And typical size fish I'd expect in a run like this, a real shallow run. There we go. Off he goes. Grow bigger. A little one. Just lip hooked. Up he goes. Just hooked. Just hooked. Little chunk. They're all been about that size, I think. There he goes. Back downstream. Oh, I think that's 13 or 14 so far. Still got a fair way to go actually. A couple of nice runs left. This one particularly too. Should be a few more that size. There's another one. My little fella again. Oh, it got Mark again. Here's his little mate. Oh, I see him blow up on that. I think it was even pretty sure it was spinning around the top of the water there, and he's coming now, blown up on it. They've all been around that size, haven't they? There he goes. Still looking for the big one. The one in the fast current beside the shallow bank there. They're getting smaller. We want them to get bigger. Where did you come from? There you go. Jeez, I didn't even see him following it. There's one. Little guy. Oh, look at this nice spots on him. Nice red spots. Up he goes. Oh, yeah. Oh. Poker. Oh, we took it too. Didn't shoot off, so he might be still in there. It's an okay fish. There we go. Got him. Oh, got him. He's a bit better fish. He's a bit better fish. He's a bit better. off you go, boy. He was a nice one. There's a couple of them in through that section there, and that one finally got him to bite, which was good. About a pound, bit over a pound, I reckon. Here he is, in the shade. In the shade, mate. Wasn't ya? Mind your own business. There we go. Oh, there's one. Yeah, the biggest. Biggest of the trip, he have to be, wouldn't he? Yeah. I was going to give you a lure comparison. He's gone. There's one. First cast after I'd done my outro. Good thing about this fishery is it's all wild. No stocked fish, all self-sustaining, which is fantastic to see this many fish just through this stretch, which is great for the future. Encourage catch and release. Here's one. Another little fella. Giant. How pretty is he though? Right guys, I'm about to get out here. It's been a good little hot session. I reckon we've caught probably 20 fish roundabout. Nothing big unfortunately. I spooked a couple of nice ones, but it was a fun session. Like and share please, and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Rodreellurefish signing out.